What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today I am starting this video with this high car which I received from Mercedes. They delivered it. To be honest, currently it's Wednesday, as you can see right here, if you can see that. Anyway, it's Wednesday today. My car actually went in on Monday morning, and they gave me this Monday afternoon. They delivered it from London, but it's a late video, so today is going to be an update on my car. But here we have a 2018 Mercedes C200 AMG line in black, as you can see right here. So there's a couple of things different with this car compared to mine, as mine is a 2016. So we'll talk about that in this video today, and also an update on my car and vice versa as well. So let's just take a look at this car. Quite decent. What do you think? Do you prefer the silver one or the black one? I kind of like the black one, but there's a few things different with this car which we'll talk about later in the video. So as always, people, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification, so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. Anyways, let's jump in the car, as the weather is not really good here in England, and we'll talk about what happened to my car and where I'm actually heading off to right now. What's happening, people? Right, let's get straight into it. I really like this car. I received this car on Monday evening. There was no point in reviewing it then. I didn't put anything on social media because the weather was kind of rough, and it's been rough ever since, to be honest. So today we're on Wednesday, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of update of what is happening with my car, what happened to it, and what car I actually received. So come Monday, I was driving it, Sunday, and there was smoke coming out of my bonnet, so I popped the bonnet as you do, and there was not only smoke. Gotta put belt on. Something belt on. Anyways, yeah. So not only there was the smoke coming out of the bonnet, there was some oil that gushed out. It seemed like something had popped under the bonnet, and there was like oil gushing out and stuff like that. So obviously, what do I do? Called up Mercedes and told them what the problem was. They were actually really, what the hell? So I had someone opened up with the car. So anyways, back to where I was. So I popped the bonnet, rang Mercedes, I told them all about the car. They was actually really helpful. This is the first time, obviously, I've got owned a Mercedes and gone through Mercedes with the problem I had with my car. And I've got to say, Mercedes was really helpful. They got RSC out straight away, towed my car within about an hour and a half, and towed me back to Mercedes in Sheffield, and they said that will get you a high car within a few hours, which they did. It came about 5 o'clock. It came from London as well, and here it is, people. This is the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C220 though, C220 AMG line. So let's take a look around to show you what the differences are between this car and my 2016 Mercedes-Benz, and then we'll talk a bit more about what happened with my car. Let's begin with the front now. As you can see, it's got the diamond grille on. That is obviously different to my car, but some AMG lines do come with the diamond grille. Also, Mercedes emblem is all covered. Mine, like it just goes through. These actually turn off as well, so you can actually twist them and they come off. The main differences are the headlights. Now the headlights are different compared to mine. The lights are different. I don't know if you can actually see it. You got 3 dots when the lights are on here, and they're always on. So that's the headlight is different, and also the blades on the bottom of the bumper, that is also different. And also I think the silver chrome silver at the bottom is a little bit bigger, or even different compared to the previous one. So that is the difference on the front between my car and this new, I wouldn't say facelift, because only thing that's changed is the headlights and the blades at the bottom, but you can get that on previous models as well, the blade at the bottom. You've also got the different mesh at the bottom as well, you can see. So coming to the side, not much change on the side. The wheels look a little bit different. That's about it. So there's not a lot changed on the side. Let's come to the back. The only thing I can actually see that is different with this AMG line is the lights. The lights are a bit different, as you can see right there. But I prefer the previous AMG line lights compared to these ones, and I'm pretty sure the back diffuser is a little bit different as well. This contains some chrome as well, so you might get that on a previous one. It's just how the optional extras were put on this car. But that is the exterior difference of my car and this 2018 model. Let's take a look at the interior. Okay, so there's not a lot of changes on the door. The main changes are, this one actually has keyless entry and keyless start and stop. You can actually push a button to go. The main difference is the steering wheel, as you can see right there. So let's show you a bit more about it. Right, so looks identical to mine. It doesn't have a CD player as well. Mine does. It also doesn't have a trackpad, which mine does. Also, it has a better cameras. You know, the safety cameras around the car, they are a little bit better, as you can see right there. So if you put it in reverse, you've got like a, and that is the main feature as well, which is the screen. I think this is much bigger compared to mine, and the camera system is much better. The infotainment is much more better on this car than it is compared to mine. Whatever you can do on the infotainment in the middle of the screen, you can do the same with these new button, this new steering wheel that's been put on. This is like the upgraded version for the newer models. So if you press home, this one on the right deals with your screen in the middle, and this one on the left deals with the infotainment screen in the middle of the car. And you've got same home, and this is your trackpad in your back. Same again with this side. So if you press home on here, that shows you that you can use your trip, your navigation, radio, media, telephone and whatnot, and check out the service of your car and also the trip. And if you go to the home on this part here, it should work on there. I don't know why it's not working. No idea why I'm pressing these buttons, but they're not working. Let's take that off. So that is the only difference I can actually see in this car compared to my 2016 Mercedes. That is the only difference. Of course, the power is a little bit different. This is a C220, mine's a C200, but overall everything is exactly the same. So if you're wanting to know what's differences between the C220, well, the 2018 and the 2016, that is it. To be honest, there's a few exteriors, a few interior changes, and that's about it. I don't know if there's mechanically changes as well, maybe, but you know, that are the main exterior and interior features of this car compared to my 2016 Mercedes Benz. Okay, now that you have seen the car, let's talk about what happened to my car. As the car was taken in Monday afternoon, it got there about half 11, 12 o'clock. Mercedes rang me that evening as well, Monday evening, and they said, we've looked at the car, we gave it a visual health check, which was online. They sent me a video email of my car having a health check, which was really good, besides the point problem that happened. And they said that turbo had given up, which means turbo had gone on my Mercedes Benz. Now the car is 2016 and it's not even done 50,000 miles on it, and turbo had gone as well. I have not even had the car more than a year. I had it about 7-8 months, as you know, with the collection video that I've done previously. So I was kind of shocked that the turbo had gone, because I've not even thrashed the car about. I use it for personal work and whatnot, and yeah, I was kind of shocked. So you can't do it as the turbo went. So they actually informed me, they were very helpful, they were kind. They said, look, we've got it, because they knew I actually used it as my work car. They said they ordered the parts then and then, which was on Monday. The parts came yesterday morning, which they gave me a call. They said the parts came, we'll try and get it fitted as soon as possible. That was the call on Tuesday morning. We are on Wednesday now, and I've just had a call an hour ago from Mercedes to say that my car has been done. They gave it a road test to see if it's up to standards as you would do anyway. But yeah, my car is actually finished, so it's only took 3 days, well, not really, about two and a bit days for them to actually order the parts and fix my car. So this car, I've actually took it out and drove it. Obviously the C200 is has a bit more power. I made a mistake. From my personal view, I thought I should have just gone for the C220, but I still stick with my car as I really like it. So I'm just heading back to Sheffield to Mercedes dealers to give this car back and collect my own car as well. So can't wait for that. I made sure I'm going to check the car properly before I actually take it off the forecourt, because you never know with dealers. I've had problems with dealers before on my previous car, which I've never actually videoed, which I should have, but I didn't. So just gonna head now towards Mercedes, check my car out, and I'll see you when I'm back in my own Mercedes Benz C200 in July. And it's as easy as that. So just been speaking to the salesperson in Mercedes. They took the car out just to show you what they did with it, and to see if it's back up to as standard as Mercedes hopes to be, and it is, to be honest. So I've just been speaking to the salesperson exactly when I was picking the car up to see what actually happened. Obviously they don't know what happened. All they know that the turbo had failed on it, so the turbo went, and that's what they fitted. And also the DPF filter as well. They've actually changed the DPF filter, and they've changed the turbo on it as well. So no idea why a Mercedes-Benz under 50k 2016 model need the turbo that early, but anyways, as long as it's fixed, that's the main thing. I can I can get back to making videos with this car. So if you want to see any other videos with this car, let me know in the comment section below. I wanted to make a full review of the previous car I had, but the weather's just been so bad with winds and full rains and floods and whatnot here in the UK, so there's, can't actually film a lot when it's raining. It's constant rain. It's raining now. It's been raining earlier. It's rained when I picked this car up just today. It rained when I picked the car up on the collection day, so you can't win. But anyways, I'm happy I've got this car back, as I really missed it. I know it's been a few days, but you tend to miss your own car. But yeah, I'm glad I've got it back, and they also actually cleaned it outside and validated it for me as well. So yeah, thank you very much, Mercedes. Like I said, they've been very helpful, and every step of the way, and telling me what is up with my car and what it's doing. They've also given me a health check envelope to show me what's wrong with the car, but everything is tip top with this car, so that can go in the bin. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. The reason why I did this video is to show you what problems I had with the car. If you're wanting to purchase a car, Mercedes, you got to look out for a few things. Make sure there's the turbo that's working properly or whatnot, because feedback is good. I have got a few comments. People have commented I was going to buy a Mercedes, but I'm glad I watched the video, because this car is kind of new. Well, not that new, but it's already having problems under 50k mileage. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what problems I have with the car, because it's a daily use car, and for your people that are wanting to buy one in the future, there's a few things that you need to check out before you buy a car, and here is the video for you. So yeah, 2016 model, DPF filter has been changed and the turbo has been changed, hence why I wanted to show you, as that is how when you buy a car, you've got to live with the consequences when it goes wrong. So that is a good job that this car was under warranty. Anyways, enough of me talking. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you again for another video.